I equally have these diagrams here with me. Now you can see on each and every one of the options on the y-axis, the one replacing it, or the let's say the quantity replacing it, is a magnification. You understand? And this one, what do I have here? I have the image what distance. So the question will be vocal. It is just like, which of this graph represents the relationship between magnification and what image distance? Now, do you know? You can say that your answer is, let's say, B or C, but do you know the reason why? Do you know the as in the main thing that brought about the answer being B, or that brought about the answer being D, or that brought about the answer being C? Please, you have to know, and that's the more reason you have to avoid this video to the end. Now we have to write the formulas of lens formula, let's say mirror formula. Then I have M is equals V over what? U. Then I have 1 over F is equals 1 over U plus 1 over what? V. So listen up. These people are trying to relate magnification and what? Image distance. Therefore, we have to remove everything that is what? Object what? Distance. In form of, let's make object distance subject of formula. Let's express object distance in terms of magnification and what? Image distance. Now watch here. If I cross multiply such that magnification comes down and object distance goes up, I'll have something of this order. Object distance is equals to what? Image distance over magnification. True or false? It is true. Then this U is equal to V over M. I have to substitute the value of what? U with what? V over what? M. So I have 1 over F is equals, now 1 over U, it entails 1 divided by U, right? So this will be 1 divided by U is now V over M. Take note. Plus, what do I have here? 1 over what? V. So I have that 1 over F is equals 1 divided by V over M will be 1 times M over what? V plus 1 over what? V. So I have 1 over F is equals M times 1 is M over V plus 1 over what? V. So what's the, looking at that, the same denominators, so definitely I have something of this, 1 over F is equals V M plus what? 1. Because V divided by V1, 1 times V divided by V1, 1 times 1, 1. So that's why I have this thing in this order. So I have 1 over what? F is equals M plus 1 over what? V. The next thing I'll try to do is, let's cross multiply and see what will happen. Cross multiplication will give us F times this will be what? F into bracket M plus 1, right? Is equals V times 1 V. Now listen up. We want to make magnification as in subject or formula. We are trying to express this thing in terms of y is equals mx plus c, because they are all straight line graphs, and the straight line graph must be in the order y is equals mx plus c. So for the fact that magnification is already in the y-axis, we have to relate this formula to what? Y is equals mx plus what? C. Now what do we do here? Should we open bracket? No, that will not be a nice idea. Let's divide both sides by the coefficient of m plus 1. So that's over f over what? F. Cancel. So I have m plus 1 is equals v over what? F. Can we go up? So making subject of formula now, this plus 1 has to move up, has to move to the other side. So I have m is equals v over f. Plus 1 coming will change to what? Minus 1. Now you agree with me that this will be m is equals 1 over fv. Yes, 1 over fv minus 1. Now I've gotten to the stage, I'll start my relation. So writing y is equals mx plus what? C. Let's relate. Now on the y-axis, what do I have? M, right? Very good. Now 1 over f, that's inverse of the focal length, is what? The slope. This m that you're seeing here entails what? Slope. So then this x, on the x-axis, what do I have? V, right? The image or distance. Very good. Now the relation is going well. So watch, what do I have here? Y-intercept. Now it is this y-intercept that will tell us our answer. So I have that C by relation plus C is equals minus 1. Therefore, definitely C is equals negative 1. Now, C is the y-intercept. Now, it is where the straight line cos y gives the value of what? C. So C, that's the value of C, will tell us where the straight line will cut what? Y. So let's check. The value of C, the y-intercept, is minus 1. We have to check each and every one of these graphs to know where, as in, to deduce where the what? Straight line cuts what? Y at a negative side, because we don't have values now. So I have that C, we assume that C is what? Minus 1. Not assumption, it's correct. C is minus 1 from here. But we have to take where the straight line cuts Y at a negative part. So I have here, you see that the graph started, that the straight line started from what? The origin. So A is not the answer. Now looking at here, the straight line cuts Y at a positive side, that's above. Now you know that from here move up, the y-axis is what? Positive. So this is not the answer. Now the straight line will equally cut Y at this point, also a positive side. Now lastly, watch option D. If you watch this option, you can see that the straight line from here, it will cut this what? Y-axis, this vertical line. It will cut it at a negative part. Now we assume that here is that what? Minus 1. Therefore, that makes what? Option D the correct answer to this what? Question on the board. I hope you learned something. Have a nice day. Like, comment, share, and follow Courses Academy. Bye-bye.